In week 2, we'll be looking at school communication from a perspective of policy, goals, and communication itself. School communications. The authors of our text, Baggins, Gallagher, and Moore, state that developing an appropriate policy and determining attainable goals are early steps in creating and improving a school community relations program. What is policy and why do we need it? An appropriate policy includes a rationale for the need for that policy and charges administration with determining ways to implement the policy. Policies typically memorialize actions to be taken within the parameters of law. A bit about goals. The district needs to assign responsibility for the goals to varied staff members. An outline of roles for administrators, teachers, and support staff is an important component of any plan. Goals frame a pathway to the attainment of a school district's vision and mission. Goals must be measurable. But what about communication? Close attention must be given to the process of communication. All must be mindful that communication is not just telling, but also listening. Communication requires a mutual exchange of ideas, out of which an understanding occurs and action is taken. Next steps. Read through the study resources and activities for information about this week's assignments. Don't forget to participate in this week's discussion. Remember to comment on the posts of at least 2 of your classmates' original posts.